Happy Saturday, everyone. This is a practice flight that I did today. I was pretty proud of. This is full manual acro mode with my Avata 2. Flight through manual mode, learned that I can't keep my gimbal at 30 degrees, which is usually default for manual. This is about 5 degrees, much easier to fly, more controlled, slower. I always wonder how guys and gals that fly through real estate properties go so slow. Here's my two visitors. Number one, little deer, and number two does were there watching. As I had my goggles on, I heard a crack of like a branch, and I thought, are there wild boars out here? I'm not sure. So luckily, two harmless deer. And I'm surprised, the drone's not super loud, but I cannot believe they weren't spooked by it and ran off. So made a right turn here, was feeling confident, went through this more dense forest with these epic trees and the house in the background. Such a beautiful property that I get to practice on. I'm really thankful for that. So yeah, it was just an epic day of flying. I left very encouraged, and I've been practicing a ton on the simulator, on the Steam games that we've got. So yeah, I was really happy with it, getting one step closer to flying through $10 million homes in real estate. Got a great flight plan. It turned out really well. Thankful I have a place to practice at. And I hope you all have a great day and a great week. And if you enjoy drone content, FPV drone content, travel, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much.